Stump Kitchen, gluten-free vegan eats, stumptastic treats.
You know, French toast for dinner when you're camping is just the f***ing best. I'll take any excuse to cook on a fire because it's pretty much my favorite thing to do in the whole f***ing world. So all you need for French toast is some awesome gluten-free vegan bread, some ground flax, some cinnamon, a little bit of salt, some coconut milk, and some f***ing vegan butter. You're really loud, aren't you? You take your milk. I transported it in a Perrier bottle. I don't know if that's good to do. Put about like a cup, maybe? Remember to clean up after yourself when you go camping in the bush. Plus there's f***ing bears. And then you take your ground flax, probably like a quarter of a cup, stick it in the milk, and you mix it up. Oh! I just dropped the spoon in it. Whisk it up, whisk it up. Oops, I'm getting milk everywhere. And you do that first because you let this sit for a while and it kind of congeals a bit because that's what flax does. It's a natural egg replacer. So that's why we use it in French toast for vegans. I just figured that out now. That's why you do it. That's so great. You also want to put in there a shit ton of cinnamon. So much. It's going to be so good. Mix that in there. I'm going to put a little more in. And the last thing you need for your coating stuff is a little bit of salt. Just use your stump, smack your salt, get a nice little sparkle in. That's probably enough. Check out this bathing suit. Okay, now you want to heat up your pan. Get a nice glob of your vegan butter on the pan. So we'll let that heat up a bit. Okay, grab your bread. Just coat it in this stuff. Just give it a good swim. And sizzle it up. Oh yeah. Yeah, get nice and crispy in there. Oh, let's have you for dinner. Okay. Yum, 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 yum. A little bit of syrup on there. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, wow. Mm. Mm. So good. Ooh, that's a bee. Oh.
Stump Kitchen, gluten-free vegan eats, stumptastic treats.
Look how pretty it is here. Camping in style, yo.